So when building a study bot, we need to tell it exactly how to help you. So let's write those instructions. We'll keep working right here where we created the study plan and uploaded your course materials. All that context is already here and ready to use. Now let's get some help by writing those bot instructions. Now I'm bringing in ViBot Builder, one of the best bots in BoodleBox, by the way. And here's the key. Using AI to help you use AI is the most efficient way to become an AI expert. I'll ask, help me write the instructions for a study bot that helps me understand difficult concepts, creates practice questions, and quizzes me on course material. Now watch what happens. You're going to read, edit, and digest what it creates. That's how you'll actually learn how AI works. Okay, check this out. The ViBot Builder pulled in our study plan, course materials from earlier, and it's already personalizing a whole set of instructions for us. But here's the huge piece everybody forgets. This isn't a magical black box. It takes time, patience, and to get your hands dirty to learn how AI works. I'm going to ask you questions. Ask me questions about what you need to know to make these instructions even better for my studying. By reading what it creates, asking questions, and refining the instructions, you're not just building a bot, you're becoming an AI expert. Perfect. Now we got instructions that are personalized to exactly how I study, and you've learned how AI actually works. Let's go build that bot.